gonna leave me, begging you to stay. But baby, I can't get through anyway, yeah. No, I can't. 'Cause when I wake up in the morning, you are.
Alright people, welcome to Could Eat with Ace CRICHTON. And tonight, as most of the people requesting, what is the best way to to T-bone the chicken? Recommended, the best best chicken for the barbecue. Not only is cooked very quick, which is why I try to demonstrate how I T-bone my chicken in the easiest way possible. Usually either you can cut off the bone, or you can make your chicken just flat like that. That's how you look at it when it's T-bone, okay? And so I'm gonna do it the other way, where you're gonna make gonna make the bone hanging on it instead of cutting them off. So all you do is carve around the bone. Either you can hold it with your hand and cover around the bone like that, or you can just lay them on the cutting board. And here we go. That bone right there is hanging on it. It's hanging right on it. So you don't have to bother to take it out. Just let it hang like that. Skin on. And that's another thing. I really like the one with the skin on, because the skin helps to keep the moist in the chicken while you're cooking, on the grill. That make your chicken cook quick, because when you face down like that on the grill with the skin on the top, so it make it hold the heat down to the meat, and which is the last thing you do. You turn it back around and get your screen brown. So yeah, I recommended the Aloha original sauce. I put my sugar in there already. So I'm gonna pour the whole gallon. Soy for the marination. So this is the what's called ginger, okay, and my bottle of sesame oil. This is 5 ounces for 1 gallon. Oh man, you should stay right here where I'm at. You can smell the aroma, you can smell the ginger, you can smell the garlic. Oh, my chicken in there. Can you see your meat inside? So now I'm going to pour this inside the meat. And then it's not really that hard to turn your meat, because now you have enough liquid in there. So your meat is kind of floating right now. So it's very easy. All you need is pick it up and press it down. Pick it up and kind of turning. Keep turning. And yeah, man, it's already good enough for eat tomorrow. Okay. Okay, actually the Hawaiian teriyaki personal barbecue chicken, short ribs, and chicken thighs. So for this one, I always, as I say, some of the clips that you see, that I always use the Hawaiian Aloha sauce. This the sauce that we recommend for this recipe, and also with the yellow onion, green onion, ginger, garlic, sesame oil. Sorry, I don't really cook on the gas grill. I usually cook on the charcoal. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna try to dish a plate like a restaurant style, which is gonna go like a to-go plate. Okay, so this is my my salad. Okay, the potato salad. Just gonna go right on top of that. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my rice. 2 scoops of rice. Now I'm gonna do my meat. Okay, this is short ribs. Okay. So to do in the restaurant style, you always gotta kind of chop kind of thing. So that way when the person is eating, you know, it's ready to go in that way. And I'm gonna do your chicken. Okay, and don't forget, just because it's a restaurant style, you always gotta garnish, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, and then here we go. I'm gonna cook this one right here. Mostly it's almost like a same thing. It's like a fine dining restaurant style. So let me use the taro on this one. So I like that. Okay. Okay, kind of like put down the lemon, put this on top. Same thing. Now I'm gonna put your ribs. Okay, and now you got to put your chicken. Okay, then find me a room for my salad. Okay, same thing right there, right here. Okay, now again, garnish. Could eat with ice, right there. Bam. Okay, I'll say thank you very much for watching. Like it and subscribe. Thank you for supporting.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. You say you're gonna leave me, begging you to stay, but baby, I when I wake up in the morning, you are gone. Little breathe thinking of what we all know.